Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul was watching Nifty move up steadily. Price was rising. RSI looked good. He was about to buy a call option at 22,000. Then his friend sent him the option chain. Something fell off. The open interest at the 22,000 call strike was massive, bigger than any other strike. Rahul did not understand what that meant. 2 days later, Nifty hit 22,000 and stalled. It tried 3 times to break through and failed every single time. The open interest had warned him. He just did not know how to read it yet. Rahul learns open interest analysis. What is open interest? Open interest, or OI, is the total number of outstanding contracts that have not been settled. Every options contract has 2 sides, a buyer and a seller. When a new buyer and a new seller create a contract, open interest goes up by 1. When an existing holder closes their position, open interest goes down. It is not the same as volume. Volume counts every transaction, including opening and closing. Open interest only counts contracts that are still open, still active, still alive. Think of it as the total number of bets currently on the table. Open interest combined with price gives 4 signals. Signal 1, open interest rising, price rising. This is bullish confirmation. New money is entering the market. Buyers are creating new long positions. The trend has strength behind it. Signal 2, open interest rising, price falling. This is bearish. New money is entering, but it is going short. Fresh selling pressure. The downtrend has conviction. Signal 3, open interest falling, price rising. This is short covering. Shorts are buying back to close positions. Price rises, but without fresh buyers. Weak signal, often a temporary bounce. Signal 4, open interest falling, price falling. This is long unwinding. Longs are exiting. No new sellers needed. Price falls as existing holders exit. For combinations. For different market stories. Max Pain theory. This is where open interest gets interesting. On every expiry day, the market tends to move toward the strike price where option buyers lose the most money. This strike is called max pain. Why? Because option sellers, who are mostly institutions and big traders, have strong incentives to move the price toward max pain before expiry. They want options to expire worthless. Most retail traders buy options. So if max pain is at 22,000 and Nifty is at 22,300, the market often drifts down toward 22,000 in the final week of expiry. Max pain is not a guarantee, but it is a gravitational pull you should know about. High open interest strikes act as walls. When a strike has unusually high call open interest, it becomes a resistance wall. Market makers and institutions who sold those calls do not want price to go above that strike. They will actively sell or hedge to keep price below it. Similarly, a strike with very high put open interest becomes a support floor. The put sellers do not want price to fall below that level. They defend it. This is why you often see Nifty bang against round numbers like 22,000 or 22,500 in reverse. These are not random. They are OI defended levels. How Rahul uses open interest practically. Step 1. Every Thursday after market close, he opens the NSE option chain for Nifty. Step 2. He finds a strike with the highest call OI. That is the resistance for the next week. Step 3. He finds a strike with the highest put OI. That is the support for the next week. Step 4. If price is moving toward the resistance with rising OI on the call side, he does not buy calls. He waits for a breakout confirmed by OI. Step 5. If total OI is increasing on both sides, the market expects big movement. If OI is falling, participants are exiting. Low conviction market. The mistake Rahul made. 2 weeks after learning about the 22,000 OI wall, Rahul got greedy again. Nifty was at 21,800, moving up strongly. He bought a 22,000 call with 3 days to expiry. He ignored that call OI at 22,000 had doubled in 2 days. The wall was getting stronger, not weaker. Nifty hit 21950, stalled, then fell back to 21,700 by expiry. His call expired worthless. The lesson? Never trade into a massive OI wall without confirmation that the wall is breaking. OI breaking down at a resistance, meaning call sellers are covering, is the confirmation you need. Open interest is the scoreboard of the options market. Price tells you what is happening. OI tells you why. Use both together. If you understand it, it is simple. I'm Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.